G'day guys, Corey Hinde, hope you're well. Google Business Profile update. So the social profiles on Google Business Profile are something you should add if you can. Now in the past it was difficult to do. There's quite a process and you had to kind of get lucky to get it done. Now it's far easier. So if you look at a search, chiropractor walk with, this is a client of mine, down on the sidebar you'll see that the social profiles are there. Now in the past, honestly, it was a bit of good fortune to get that done. For us, we've got Facebook and LinkedIn down there, and this is good. The reason it's good is because Google is all about trust. A huge part of their algorithm is, can we trust this website? Can we trust this entity? Do they deserve to be ranked up the top? Now, in the past, given that there was quite lucky, now it's quite easy. So I'll walk you through how to do this. It is something you should do. Some people in our space have been saying don't do too many at once because there's risk of suspension. We haven't seen any suspensions yet. We've done this for dozens of listings and the profiles are showing up down here really quickly. And we believe fully that if you're in a marketplace where all other things are equal, then the listing, the Google Business Profile that has the social profiles down there will win because it's a huge trust factor to Google. Google says, well, we trust LinkedIn, we trust Facebook. This business is on those profiles, therefore they're worthy of a top listing. Now the process to do it is really, really easy. Here is your listing. It'll look something like this. Just go to edit profile. Nice easy tap on that button just there. And then just roll down through here to contact and you'll see the social profiles. So when you click on there, it'll give you an option to add social profiles, and then you'll just copy the hyperlinks, paste them there and save it, and you're done. Once you've done that step, so there it is, a contact of the business information in edit profile. Once you've done that, it'll populate, i.e. turn up down here, usually within a few minutes. Google just has to run through and check that it's all okay, make sure that it sort of stacks up with what they know about you. And we do recommend that you do this because so far we've seen that using Google Business Profile to its full extent is useful. Any strong trust factors are always very useful, and this is quite a biggie. So we recommend you do it. Simple as that. Just go into your dashboard, go into edit profile, you'll see the contact button there. Any questions about that, or if it's difficult, reach out, ask questions down below and we'll help you where we can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.